Monaco isn't just for the rich and famous, it's for anyone who loves adventure. I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of Monaco's 13 must-see spots. Forget just super yachts and casinos. Think hidden gardens, legendary racetracks, ancient palaces, and jaw-dropping views. I've mapped out the ultimate Monaco travel guide, packed with action and secrets you won't find anywhere else. We'll see where royalty lives, walk the streets of Formula One legends, and discover peaceful escapes. Whether you're on a budget or living large, this is your blueprint for the best Monaco trip ever. By the end, you'll want Monaco on your bucket list. Guaranteed. Ready for the only Monaco guide you'll ever need? Let's dive in. First stop, the world's most famous casino. Welcome to the Monte Carlo Casino, an icon of luxury and history. Just standing outside, you feel like you're in a James Bond film. The Belle Epoque architecture is jaw-dropping. You don't have to gamble to enjoy it. Just pay the entry fee and soak in the opulence. Inside, you'll find grand halls, stunning chandeliers, and a living museum of glamour. Grab a drink at Café de Paris across the square and watch Ferraris roll by. It's the best free show in town. This is a must for movie buffs, architecture lovers, and anyone craving a taste of Monaco's legendary luxury. Now, let's see how royalty lives. Next up, the Prince's Palace, home to Monaco's royal family for over 700 years. Perched on the rock, the views are unbeatable. Don't miss the changing of the guard at 11:55 a.m. Arrive early for the best spot. Tour the state apartments for a glimpse into royal life and centuries of history. Every room tells a story, and the Palace Square offers the best panoramic photo ops in Monaco. Perfect for history buffs, families, and anyone wanting that iconic Monaco shot. This is the heart of Monaco's story. Now, let's dive into the deep blue. The Oceanographic Museum is built into a cliff and is a masterpiece inside and out. Explore the Shark Lagoon, see sea turtles, and wander through tanks representing oceans from around the world. Upstairs, check out whale skeletons and vintage diving gear. Don't miss the rooftop terrace for 360-degree views and a turtle sanctuary. It's perfect for families, science lovers, and anyone curious about the ocean. Even if you're not an aquarium fan, this place will blow your mind. It's educational, fun, and unforgettable. Ready for some adrenaline? Let's hit the F1 track. The Monaco Grand Prix circuit, where city streets become a racing legend. Walk or drive the track, stand at the famous hairpin, and imagine the roar of F1 engines. I rented a car and drove the circuit, an absolute thrill. You'll pass the casino, the harbour, and iconic race landmarks. It's a must for motorsport fans and adrenaline seekers, but anyone can appreciate the energy here. See Monaco from a whole new angle. Time to relax. Let's hit the beach. Lavoto Beach is Monaco's public slice of Riviera paradise. Swim in calm turquoise waters or rent a sunbed for a touch of luxury. The vibe is relaxed and welcoming. Locals, families and tourists all mix here. Try paddleboarding or jet skiing, or just enjoy a gelato by the sea. The beachfront restaurants are perfect for a meal with a view. It's accessible, beautiful, and the best way to recharge in Monaco. Sun, sea and serenity. What more could you want? Next, a garden like no other. The Jardin Exotique is a cliffside wonderland of cacti and succulents from around the globe. Walk winding paths surrounded by surreal plants and take in panoramic views stretching to Italy. It's a photographer's dream. Every corner is Instagram gold. Don't miss the Observatory Cave tour for a prehistoric adventure underground. This spot is perfect for nature lovers and anyone chasing the best views in Monaco. It's peaceful, unique and unforgettable. Now, a place of history and reflection. The Monaco Cathedral is a serene masterpiece of white stone and Romanesque Byzantine design. Inside, find the tombs of Princess Grace and Prince Rainier, moving tributes to Monaco's royal family. The stained glass, grand organ and centuries-old art create a peaceful, awe-inspiring atmosphere. It's a must for culture lovers and anyone seeking a quiet moment. This cathedral connects you to Monaco's soul and history. Take a moment to reflect and admire. Let's get back to the glamour. Next stop, Port Hercules. Port Hercules is Monaco's beating heart, lined with jaw-dropping super yachts and buzzing with energy. Stroll the waterfront, marvel at floating mansions and soak up the lively scene. Grab a coffee or rosé at a waterfront cafe and watch the world go by. At night, the port sparkles with lights and romance. It's the ultimate spot for people watching, yacht spotting and feeling Monaco's vibrant spirit. You haven't seen Monaco until you've been here. Now, let's find some zen. The Japanese garden is a tranquil oasis inspired by Kyoto, designed for Princess Grace. Step inside and leave the city behind. Lush greenery, koi ponds and waterfalls await. Every detail is crafted for harmony and peace. It's a dream for photographers and anyone needing a quiet escape. Recharge, reflect and enjoy Monaco's softer side. A hidden gem you can't miss. Time to wander Monaco's oldest streets. Monaco-Ville, or Le Rocher, is a medieval village perched above the sea. Lose yourself in narrow alleys, pastel buildings and hidden courtyards. Discover local shops, charming cafes and authentic Monegasque cuisine. Try barbaggio and soak in the relaxed historic vibe. This is Monaco's soul, perfect for explorers and foodies alike. Every turn reveals a new surprise. Experience the real Monaco, away from the glitz. Next, a car lover's paradise. The Prince's car collection is a must for auto enthusiasts. Over 100 pristine vehicles, from vintage classics to F1 legends. See rare Rolls-Royces, Ferraris and actual Grand Prix cars up close. The collection tells the story of automotive history and Monaco's racing passion. Even non-car fans will be wowed by the craftsmanship and design. It's a unique, fascinating stop that surprises everyone. Monaco's love for cars is on full display here. Now, let's slow down in a garden of roses. The Princess Grace Rose Garden in Fontvale Park is a romantic, fragrant escape. Over 6,000 rose bushes bloom in tribute to Princess Grace. Wander winding paths, relax on benches and admire the colours and scents. It's peaceful, perfect for couples, nature lovers and photographers. This garden shows Monaco's softer, more romantic side. Take time to stop and smell the roses. Ready for a taste of luxury? Let's shop like a billionaire. The Metropole Shopping Monte Carlo is luxury shopping at its finest. Marble floors, chandeliers and designer boutiques. Browse high-end brands or unique local shops, even if you're just window shopping. Enjoy a coffee or gourmet lunch in style. It's a chic escape from the sun or rain and a glimpse into Monaco's glamorous lifestyle. Perfect for shoppers, architecture fans and anyone wanting to experience the high life. The perfect glitzy finale to our Monaco adventure. So, is Monaco worth it? 13 epic spots, one unforgettable country. Monaco is more than just wealth. It's history, beauty, adventure and surprises at every turn. From royal palaces to secret gardens, F1 tracks to rose gardens, there's something for everyone. You can live the high life or find quiet moments of reflection. Monaco's contrasts make it truly special. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and experience Monaco for yourself. Thanks for joining this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me your favorite spot in the comments. See you in the next video.